Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Unlock Bunny Day DIY crafting recipes by shooting down balloons, finding egg bottles, talking to villagers, and collecting eggs. Craft Bunny Day items at a DIY workbench using unlocked recipes and collected eggs. On April 4th, talk to Zipper Tea Bunny to unlock 4 additional Bunny Day items.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Finally, after crafting the wobbling zipper toy, the gleeful Zipper Tea Bunny has one final trick up his sleeve. The final Bunny Day prize for all of your effort is revealed to be the Bunny Day Wand DIY crafting recipe and given to you completing your Bunny Day collection.
Let's help you make your mark.
Currently, it's possible to time travel backwards and play Bunny Day, May Day, Museum Day, fireworks shows and Halloween, so it's likely Nintendo will allow players to do the same with Turkey Day and Toy Day. If Nintendo doesn't want players time traveling ahead, it should lock all events, not just some of them. 20 November 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Which Bunny Day item sells for the most? Here is a list of all 39 Bunny Day items and how much they sell for at Nook's Cranny. Stone Egg Shoes 800 bells. Water Egg Outfit 1200 bells. Water Egg Shell 800 bells.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.